this is very cool. So what we did here is we created a PowerShell script that goes through every single virtual desktop in your VMware View environment, actually looks for the active sessions and collects all the metrics that are available in the log files that are created by PCoIP. And then leveraging another script that was created by Clayton Kitson and Matt Calgar, we actually put all those variables and those metrics inside vCenter Operations 5. So here how it works. So here you see the script running and collecting the metrics, and let's see what we see in vCenter Ops. So we created a dashboard where we are able to select the resource, which would be the virtual desktop, and we're able also to see the metrics available for that virtual desktop. So in this case, I'm going to select this virtual desktop, and those are the metrics available. And bear in mind, it's collecting those metrics every 1 minute. But anyway, so let's select here average transmitting in kilobytes, and well, there we go. We are collecting already. If we zoom out, we'll see exactly what is happening inside the virtual desktop from a PCoIP perspective. But I also could go and see, is there any audio being transmitted? Oh yes, there is audio being transmitted. So great, now you have visibility on the metrics that are each individual virtual desktop is actually consuming or generating. Also, it is possible, if you want, as an example, get two different metrics for two different desktops and compare. So let's get the average transmitting for this virtual desktop and the same metric for this one. So as an example, if you have a single use case and a single department and they should have similar average, but suddenly have some users complaining about no performance, you can actually compare them. So let's do that. There we go. We can see that this user here is using more bandwidth. It actually has peaks of 1.3 megabits when the other one is actually using only 14 kilobytes. So of course I have set up this virtual desktop to run some YouTube videos during this presentation, but that's an idea of what you could do and what kind of metrics you could trace. As an example, for I won't have here because I'm running on a local LAN, but you could have loss, how much loss you having in your WAN environment, or what's the round trip, or what's the bandwidth limit that you can get per desktop at this point in time. So let's have a look here. There we go. So what I do here is I just select, so I can, select everything together and zoom out together. And you see here bandwidth limits for each one of the desktops. So that's cool, and it's free.